So next we're going to cut out the coffee cup from the background. So I'll just grab the pen tool from the toolbar. And I always like to start at the top of all the objects I draw around. So I'm going to start at the top and click and drag. And as I drag, what is the rule for roughly how far we drag out?
Is it about a third?
That's correct. Nice one. So I've dragged out about a third of the distance of the curve, because I'm going to finish the curve here. And then I'll click and drag to create the curve. So next, I'm going to come in and draw this little curve. I'll just zoom in a little bit closer so we can see that. Now, if I take a look at this handle that's poking downwards, I can see it's very long, and it's far too long to go around this little curve. So I'm going to click and drag about a third of the distance, let go, and click and drag.
Can I just ask something?
Sure.
What if you make a mistake in getting these points sorted?
Yeah, it's not a problem. You can always undo. So that's one option. So
How do you do that?
So you can undo by doing, if you're on Windows, Control Z, or if you're on the Mac, that would be Command Z. And you can also get that up from the edit menu up there. So you can always undo. Yeah. Or sometimes if you are drawing and let's say you make a mistake, let's say my curve is completely wrong, I can hold down on the Mac the Command key, or on Windows the Control key, and I can grab the handle and adjust it. So basically you can either undo or fix what you've got to make the curve. Now you can see the screen shot up there. It's not really a problem. I'm just going to use the space bar to drag back up to where I need to be. I'll just zoom out a little bit, and then I can hold down that Command or Control key again, and I can adjust the curve.